Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am here with a package from Melody Susie and they reached out to me and wanted me to review one of their nail drills. So I opened the outside packaging and this is everything that was in the packaging. So first of all, we have a thank you card with a little QR code there for a nail tutorial. And we have all their socials here. And then inside the box, which I thought was so cute, I've never seen this in any of their packaging before, it's these stickers. So they're all little Melody Susie products. So I think that is their nail polish. And then we have their dust collector is down there. And this is, I think it looks like their Efile, their anniversary Efile. I do have a tutorial or a review on that one as well on my channel. And then we have different little icons here and it's so cute. I thought this was so cute. I've never seen that in any of their packaging before. So the drill that I'm going to review for you today is the PM170F nail drill. Now I did purchase a few weeks ago a P series nail drill as well, not the same one as this. So I am going to compare the two of them and I'm going to let you know my honest thoughts because I did buy the other one myself. So I will give you an honest opinion on the two of them. Also with this, which is really fun, this is a handpiece holder. So as you can see, there's a diagram of it there so you can rest your handpiece in. These are cordless, they're rechargeable, so they're really meant for handiness on the go. And if you're a mobile nail tech, something like this would be so handy as well. So I'm just going to unbox this for you now. Cute. Oh, it's small. It really is slim. So I did request the black one. They have rose gold, I think they've pink and they've black. So I requested the black one just to be different because all of the ones that I have are pink. And then we have this instruction manual inside. So it gives you the usual what to do when you're charging it. It gives you the malfunction directions and then talks about your warranty. So they always come with a warranty. And then at the back, it's going to just give you your information about your bits that come with it. So I'm going to have a look now at everything that comes with it. But I can't believe how slim this is. This is slim. Hold on a second. This is really slim. I can tell right off the bat that it's slimmer than the one I got a few weeks ago. This is pen. This is like holding a pen. I'm just going to show you the other one, okay? So the other one was this one here. It was the PC180F. So that was the one that I bought myself a few weeks ago. And this is it here. So you can see the difference. They look the same as in the button display, but the slimness of this new one is way more than this one. So straight away it wins on that front. And I'm just going to turn it on. So we have I'm guessing this is how you turn it on. You see, you might have to hold it down. Yeah, there we go. So I don't know if you can hear that, that's at 1. This goes up to 30,000 RPMs as well, so I'm just going to turn it up. So that's, yeah, it's not loud, it's not very loud at all. Now I'm just going to turn that down. I'm going to power that off for a sec. I can't believe how slim it is. Literally is like a pen. Okay, now we have mini mandrel bits. Oh, this is brilliant. Okay, so mini mandrel now are all in, so they're just so much skinnier than the original sanding bands and the original mandrels. And I'm so glad that they included this instead of the other ones because I've loads of the other sanding bands and I don't really use them. So, and we do have the bit there, look. So they also include the mini mandrel bit. So if you don't have this, this is going to be included as well. So I'm just going to open up this box if I can. Yeah, okay. Straight away, I love the look of the bits. They're mostly diamond bits. And we also have this. So I'm intrigued by this one because the 15th anniversary drill, and I will stand by this, the pink one. The bits that came with that drill are so good. I've been using them on clients ever since, and they are so good. They're two removal bits. One is a safety bit and one is a ceramic bit. And those bits are so good that came with that drill. I was so impressed. So I'm glad to see that we have another one with this drill that's kind of not your usual bit. So these bits usually come with these e-files, but you don't always see a mini mandrel bit and this removal bit. So that's really, really good. So yeah, and then underneath here, I think this is the warranty. So yeah, it's your warranty information. To avail the extended warranty, please follow these simple steps. So one thing about Melody Susie as well is they have really straightforward, you know, instructions to do with their warranties, to do with their website. And yeah, I just think they're such a good brand. I said this in the last video that I did for them. I have bought 3 Melody Susie brands on my own before they ever sent me anything, and like 3 of their e-files, sorry, I should say. So I definitely recommend them. I have been a customer since I started doing nails, and I highly recommend them. And I'm so glad that they reached out to me to test things, because I truly believe in their products. They're so good. They're affordable. So if you're a beginner nail tech and no one has money usually when you're starting off your nail career, and you have so much stuff to buy, that especially an e-file, some of the e-files are so expensive. They're such an investment, where I think Melody Susie are so affordable they're so affordable, but the quality is so good. So yeah, I highly recommend them. I'm just so glad that they send me stuff to test for you guys, because like I said, I've been a customer since day one. So yeah, I truly believe in them. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up a little bit, and I am going to try and remove these bad boys here with this bad boy here. And I'm going to use this bit as well, because I'm really intrigued about this bit. So I'll be back in a sec. With all the excitement about the nail bits and stuff, I don't know if I showed you that it does come with a charger. So this is a USB, and it sticks into the back of right here. You can see there, that's just the, if it will focus, yeah, you can see it right there. It just goes right into the drill. So I'm just going to charge it because it is starting to go red, and then I'm going to come back and I am going to do the removal with you. Okay, I accidentally removed this off camera. I wasn't recording, so I'm just going to start again, and we're going to turn this on and start the removal process. So I'm just going to turn it up, and don't pay any heed to that. I actually just caught that in something this morning, so it looks like a big chunk has gone out of it. But I'm just going to turn this on now, and I'm going to turn on my fan on low, and I'm going to start to do the removal with this bit here. Just removing that lovely. Sorry, I'm probably a little bit out of frame, but this is perfect. I have it up at 30,000 RPM, so even removing gel, it's going through that like that. Move up to the top here now. I'm just going to go over like that. The safety bit, so I'm just kind of going around the edges. Obviously you still have to be careful even with a safety bit, but I think I charged it for about an hour. Yeah, it's after going through that gel really nicely there. So I'm going to switch this up now, and I'm going to change it to the mini mandrel sanding band with the, mini mandrel. Yeah, the mini mandrel sanding band. I'm just going to wipe off here. I'm just going to pop some of that in there now. And then I'm just going to put in this. So you just pop it up until you kind of feel that it stops. And I'm just going to turn this up to maybe 4,000 RPMs. So this is at 4,000 RPMs here. I'm just going to leave the dust collector off just for this part, but you can hear like it's not very loud at all. Now I'm just gently going in there, and I'm going to go over the surface of the natural nail, and I'm just going to also gently file off the remainder there. So that feels so nice. Doesn't feel any way like you're not getting that heat. I'm not getting that friction. You don't go over any one place for long. You just keep moving it around. So there you go. I'm just going to go around the edges there and take off the gel polish. It doesn't look like anything is really lifting here, so I'm not going to remove too much. So yeah, that's the bulk of that one done. I'm just going to do the same to this one here, just while we're here. So I'm only gently going over the regrowth. And I'm also just getting that colour off. I loved this colour. So if you want to subscribe, I am gonna do my nails, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on redoing these nails. I'll probably have that up soon because I won't be able to go for too long with bare nails. Yeah, so that's the gist of it there. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to press off. So that was done at 4,000 RPMs there. A lot of people go between 3 and 5 for that. Especially on the natural nail, you don't really want to go any higher than that. But that is my review and unboxing of that Efile. So I'm just going to show you the cover of it. Again, it is the P series PM170F, and I do have a discount code for Melody Susie, so they've kindly given me 12% of a discount code for you guys. If you type in nails12 into the promo code box on their website, you'll automatically get 12% off, but I will leave all the details in the description box as well. Okay, so for my final thoughts on this drill, I think this drill is fantastic. It is so lightweight, it's so slim, so easy to hold on to, and I think the power in it for what it is perfect. However, like I said when I bought my other cordless drill a few weeks ago, if you were doing clients, I do recommend and possibly putting a little bit more money and getting one of Melody Susie's more expensive drills. If you're using this for yourself, maybe only are doing 1 or 2 friends, or you do your sister, something like that, you're a DIYer, you're not really taking clients, this is absolutely perfect for that. I really would. For the price, at the moment it's $35.99 on their website, but like I said, if you're doing clients, I probably would wait and maybe invest in their 15th anniversary drill. Is amazing. I love it so much. I'm going to leave the 2 linked in the description box, but all in all, for what this is, this drill is perfect. So it really does depend on what you need it for. Some people only do Gel X, and then they do minimal filing. They like have to file the inside of the nail tips. So like I said, whatever you do yourself, you're going to know what you need it for. But all in all, a great drill, and especially for the price. Thank you so much, Melody Susie, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.